Hi everyone! In today's episode, we are going to talk about the word naunsa. So, naunsa in translation is what happened. So, if someone asks, naunsa na siya? So, it's like saying, what happened to him or her? Naunsa ka? What happened to you? Naunsa na sila? What happened to them? Naunsa mo? What happened to you guys? So the thing is, you kind of have to be careful on how the word naunsa is being expressed because it can be used to ask questions, right? Of what happened. But if it's being said on like an annoyance voice, like naunsa man na siya, uy, naunsa day ka? It's kind of like expressing like what's wrong with you, like what happened, it's so you have to assess how it's being expressed. So if you have questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Hangtud sa sunod. Salamat.